Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today we will revise the present perfect continuous tense. उर्दू में इसकी पहचान मुकर्रर मुद्दत और मुकर्रर वक़्त के साथ साथ जुमले के आखिर में रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं आता है। जैसे कि वो सुबह से खेल रहा है, क्या तुम 3 सालों से इस घर में रह रहे हो, मैं 1 घंटे से तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ। इंग्लिश में बनाने के लिए फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी का इजाफा किया जाता है। आई, वी, यू, दे और प्लूरल नाउन के साथ हैव बीन, ही, शी, इट और सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ हैज़ बीन और नॉट इज एडेड बिटवीन हैज़, हैव एंड बीन फॉर नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस and has, have been is added in the start of sentences to make interrogative sentences. Let's practice some examples. वो कई महीनों से ये पुल बना रहे हैं। They have been building the bridge for several months. They have not been building the bridge for several months. Have they been building the bridge for several months? हैना सुबह से अपने घुटनों में दर्द महसूस कर रही है। Hannah has been feeling pain in her knees since morning. Hannah has not been feeling pain in her knees since morning. Has Hannah been feeling pain in her knees since morning? मैं आधे घंटे से मेहमानों का इंतज़ार कर रही हूँ। I have been waiting the guest for half an hour. I have not been waiting the guest for half an hour. Have I been waiting the guest for half an hour? चांद रात के 10 बजे से आसमान पर चमक रहा है। The moon has been shining in the sky since 10 p.m. The moon has not been shining in the sky since 10 p.m. Has the moon been shining in the sky since 10 p.m. बच्चे शाम से काम कर रहे हैं। Children have been working since evening. Children have not been working since evening. Have children been working since evening? क्या बच्चे शाम से काम कर रहे हैं? वो 6 सालों से इस घर में रह रहा है। He has been living in this house for 6 years. He has not been living in this house for 6 years. Has he been living in this house for 6 years? वो 2009 से इस घर में रह रही है। She has been living in this house since 2009. She has not been living in this house since 2009. Has she been living in this house since 2009? ये दुकानदार कई हफ्तों से ग्राहकों से अच्छा सलूक कर रहा है। This shopkeeper has been dealing nicely the customer for several weeks. This shopkeeper has not been dealing nicely the customer for several weeks. Has this shopkeeper been dealing nicely the customer for several weeks? मैं इन बंदरों को सुबह से देख रही हूँ। I have been watching these monkeys since morning. I have not been watching these monkeys since morning. Have I been watching these monkeys since morning? I hope you will practice these sentences. Allah Hafiz.